Welcome everybody to another AstroForex YouTube video. Now today is a little bit of a spontaneous mission on behalf of myself. I'm actually going to London to get my left arm tattoo developed and finished off, so I'm going to take you on a little bit of a journey there as well. And then also I'm off back up to Birmingham in order to catch up with a few students in the office. So I'm going to take you along with my little journey today, and I'm always travelling around, okay, whether it be getting a train to London or up and down the country driving, whichever it may be. I'm going to start to do videos to give you an insight into how I actually manage my live trades when I'm on my mission. So got my bag packed, okay, bag here with my laptop, cameras, chargers, etc. 2 phones for hotspot, can never go without that internet. And also I'm just going to give you an insight into why I entered the trades and so forth. So this week I've made 80 pips off the Aussie dollar short. I did £20 a pip, and I made just over £1,800 on that, and I'm currently short on gold as well, only £10 a pip, because I don't really like placing trades, going on the underground, etc., where I can't really get a signal, because it does prank me out a little bit. So anyway, gold, it's more or less break even now. I'm going to go through the journey and see if we can bag some profit today. If not, I'm going to leave the trade on until next week. So that's that. Later on in the video, I'm not going to make it too long. I'll cut up some of the tattoo shots and so forth, and also give you an insight into the inner workings of development of the new AstroForex website and members zone. So enjoy the video. Here goes nothing. The aim of today is to hopefully make my tattoo fee and travel fee back from this one trade. So let's see if it can happen, guys. When I put a new meaning to trade to travel, when I start paying for the travel from the trades we're doing when traveling, if that makes sense. So anyway, haven't checked my trade in over an hour and a half now. This is why you have to use a stop loss. You have to plan your trade out from top to bottom, risk reward, okay? And just have faith in your own trades. And again, journal is quite important for doing so. So let's see how the day goes. I'll catch back up soon. Guys, managed to find a small cafe on the corner. Just got off the train. I'm £200 up on gold, which is okay, still positive. I've been in this trade for 2 days now, and I'm about to just show you on the charts why I entered, but just a little bit of a tip out there. I do travel quite a bit, and to be honest, most of the trades that I do have faith in all of my trades. That's why when you see on, let's say for instance, my YouTube videos or stand-up posts on Instagram, Twitter, that I always break the chart down, and I always apply the risk reward tool, which I'm going to do for you right now. So with gold, I'm in profit at the moment. It's Friday. We could expect a crazy meltdown. We've been sideways for a good few days now, but if you want my full spectrum gold analysis, go and check out my last video. So I'm going to show you the charts. Okay. Got myself some wheatgrass here as well, which is brilliant. And then I'm going to go back over to the studio to endure some more pain. Okay, thank you. So that's something for gold. I'm going to show you Aussie dollar as well. And later on I'm going to show you the updates of the members videos. We've been rendering videos for 2 weeks now, around the clock, so I want to bring the highest quality and recording all in 4K definition, screencast, everything. It's an ultimate AstroForex course revamp and so forth. My breakfast just got here. Let me show you the charts, and then we'll catch back up soon. Okay then traders, quick one on the Aussie dollar, and as you can see, if I just zoom right in there,
my target has actually been pierced more or less by the absolute pip there. So with the Aussie dollar, what I actually did, did the trade based on the daily time frame. So what actually happened, I've got my monthly resistance level at 7750, nice round number, psychological barrier, and a key resistance level. And what we can see just here, if I just put my fingers through, just here and here, there's 2 days of consecutive rejections from that zone. You could call this a doji, if you will, but from this candle here and this candle here, we can see that it couldn't actually sustain the highs overall. So it was actually after this second candle, I waited until 10 p.m. GMT. Okay, I was very, very patient with this trade to actually place my sell order. Now, what I've been doing for the members zone is doing the before and after trades more or less in video format. So this is a video, I'm not going to play it, but this is a 7-minute video, sorry, of just explaining the trade before, cutting it up and then going into the aftershock, which is great. So I've done this for 20 trades in total with a high win rate overall, explaining to all of the members why I've entered certain trades. I've gone through losses, I've gone through trades that have come back and hit me out at maybe break even, some trades that have hit me out maybe plus 20 or 50 pips due to fundamentals and so on, just to give a realist viewpoint of trading overall. Nothing's ever perfect, and all of the strategies are quite different as well. So there's not just one strategy I'm using throughout all of the actual trades. I'm reading price action and going from there. So this was the original risk reward. With this one, I've placed a stop loss 20 to 30 pips above the highs, which was around 83 pips. And I've gone for a target of 0.7600. I'm using the round number as a support level as well, because Aussie dollar, due to my overall projections on the weekly, and there's still a Fibonacci that could potentially be achieved soon on the daily, further upside could in fact come through. So nice one-to-one trade that came through in 3 or 4 days. So as you can see there, if I just look at the 4-hour time frame on this particular currency pair, you can see the accuracy of where we've actually hit the round number there. So there's many things to take into consideration, but everybody who's joining AstroForex and who will be studying the new members zone will know all of this information. Okay, so great result there on the Aussie dollar. Now over to gold quickly. As you can see, profit so far on gold, not too much profit on gold, but recently gold, we've been rejecting the zone here at 1350s to 1355. I seen this rejection and I actually entered after this red candle here, this bearish candle. My stop is 20 pips above the middle pin high here, which is just above the resistance there, the daily resistance, and this is a risk reward of 1 to 2.75. so in some nice profit, which is more or less paying for my day trip today to get my tattoo finished, and I'm going to leave this trade on until next.
are back. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Now, long day, I was in some excruciating pain throughout the tattoo and so on, but it was a great test of mental endurance. No pain, no gain. The guys at the studio were absolutely brilliant. They allowed me to dock up my laptop at the side. I had my own little workstation where I was monitoring trades and rendering videos. Now, as for the tattoo overall, let me just show you. Okay, it's not really healed yet, but we have the Buddha piece here. Now, this Buddha piece actually relates all the way back and dates back to ancient India, okay? This is an actual statue, and as you can see, it's quite a realistic piece. It's done a brilliant job on this. I chose the Buddha. I'm not a religious person. I don't really class Buddhism as a religion, but the Buddha for me represents mindfulness, okay? Detaching, which I'm sometimes too extreme at in life, whether it be from a trade, life situation, and so on, and not judging all of the thoughts that come into your mind, okay? And just being aware overall. Second to that, we have Metatron's cube here, which represent the 13 circles of life. 13 is a number of creation. And also within this, you can actually sketch out all of the platonic solids which make up all of the energy and atoms in matter. Over here, we have the Eye of Horus. Now, this is some creepy Illuminati symbol from all the uneducated people out there. This dates back way back into ancient Kemet and so forth, but it goes as long as your soul has been in existence. This is the symbol of the third eye, okay? The mind's eye. Now, we always need to use the mind's eye, especially in this world, because it's plagued with bullshit. Pardon my French. And we always need to use that in order to separate truth from myth. And we can also use that in the market as well, to not get caught up in all of the fundamentals, economics, because all of that is a stage in a game. Now, second to that, I've just gone through the pattern, and I thought about this, how to join everything together. So I've gone for the Flower of Life. Flower of Life relates to Fibonacci, and it relates to the construct of everything in creation, whether you're human, animal, plant, whatever. It is the basis of all life, foundations of cells, cell division, X and Y chromosomes, and so forth. And we also use Fibonacci in the markets as well. So all of this is a sacred geometry piece. I'm looking forward to see it heal. Let me know your comments below on the tattoo. As I say, I'm not a big tattoo guy. I just thought, I've got a little bit of time on my hands. I had a few pieces from before which I wanted enhancing, and I just went the full 9 yards with it all. So give me your comments below, whether you like it or whether you hate it and you hate me and you hate AstroForex. I'm sure you'll do that as well. That's cool. Aside from that, the gold, don't want to rant on too long here because I want to end this video. Now, gold, I moved my stop loss past break even. I've left it over the weekend. Worst comes to worst, I'll lock in 40-50 pips, which is £400-500. Add that onto the £1,800 when I had on the Aussie. We're looking at 2,300 for the week. Now, I'm trying to be as realistic as possible as with my week, with my trades and what I do. And I'm going to come out with more of these vlogs and so forth, just to give you an idea of, it can be quite tricky sometimes managing life, even though if you don't have a job or a boss. I'm certainly unemployable right now, which will motivate me to go even harder. But it's not really easy to actually trade and go about your daily business and so on, and rely on that money and so forth. You have to be extremely disciplined, which I'm still learning myself at. And yeah, it can be a little bit stressful overall, and we always need to ensure money management's there, risk reward is there, our analysis is there. We trust ourselves, we trust our skill set before actually entering the trade. So enough of all the ranting. I'm just going to show you a quick clip of the members zone so far. We've got a new AstroForex website coming out, which is going to be our first time on Google, believe it or not. And yeah, I've got 60 videos, 13 main topics with around 6 or 7 videos, subcategories within each of the main categories. And also, I'm just going to start off with around 15 or 20 before and after trades. Now, the before and after trades, I've showed you a screenshot of to the Aussie and the gold in this video, but I do this every single week. So I thought, I'm wasting all of this. I'm going to need to put it in some vlogs. I need to put it in the AstroForex members zone. So you do the course, you go online, you get your journal, you study, you set up all of your charts, and you see my life before and after trades as real as it can be. I'm going around fundamentals, talking about fundamentals, sometimes getting stopped out at break even, sometimes taking trades off before fundamentals and so on. So there's many barriers and obstacles we need to get around. So I'm just trying to be as realistic as possible with
these vlogs with the members zone, with the trades and the money you're making on a weekly basis, and maybe even sometimes a daily basis, and so forth. So leave your comments below, and I'm going to catch you back on the next vlog, which is going to be around the mid-September when I'm out in Canada. I just bought the Phantom 4 drone as well, so I'm going to get some great shots out there. God knows what I'm going to get up to, but yeah, I'm going to check back in soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great trading week ahead. Cheers, guys.